Hey guys, first I washed my face. I don't want to show you that. And then this is the second part. I used this COSRX Blackhead toner thing. And then I used this toner again because I wanted to rehydrate my face again. So yeah, this is a niacinamide serum. I pat it on my face, pat. Then I use this Neutrogena moisturizer. I really love this one because it doesn't make my face too oily throughout the day. Okay. Then I use this Biore sunscreen. It's not the best, but it's alright. It's quite up there. So I recommend this sunscreen too. I was really hyper this morning and I don't know why. I changed my clothes and all. So right now I'm going to do my daily makeup sort of, but I usually use this makeup. And first I prime my eyes using the e.l.f. primer, and then I contour my nose. Okay, what's up with that? To make it look more natural, I put some under my eyebrow bone. I don't know what you call that part, but yeah. Actually, I don't know why people do this, but I do this too. And I do see that it makes the nose contour looks better. I use some highlight on the tip of my nose and also on the bridge of my nose. To be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. I just do what I feel that makes me look better. Usually daily I don't wear that much eyeshadow, and I go for a more natural look. Is it natural? Sort of. Yeah, it's not that bold, but you notice there's like a bit of color on my eyes, which gives me a hint of pop. I swear to God, I don't know what I'm doing. Like I said, I just do. Okay. I accidentally knocked down my tripod stand. It was actually funny. I like to make my under eyes look more defined, so that's why I use a brown shade. Now we have the eyeliner part. Actually, I'm pretty bad at doing my what do you call my wing, my eyeliner. I always just pray that it looks good. And like honestly, most of the time my eyeliner they don't match. but I will try my best to make it like not too obvious. And I really love doing this lower wing. I think it makes me look like a badass and more cool than usual. But yeah, I think it looks awesome on me. Here I'm just wearing my mascara. Nothing awesome really. And then I'm putting on some blush. Because my face is not in the best condition right now, I just put a little, and also like higher than my cheeks where you can see my acne, right? I don't want to worsen my acne, so I just try my best not to put blush on the lower side where there's acne. And I also like to put on the bridge of my nose a bit, and also on the tip of my nose. I think it looks more natural that way, so yeah. And I'm just here putting on setting spray to keep the makeup last longer, hopefully. But you know, throughout the day the blush will eventually disappear. And I don't know how to fix that, but it's okay. For my eyebrows, I just use an eyebrow wax. I like how my eyebrows look, so I don't make it bolder or whatnot. So I use this eyebrow wax to make it more neat and tidy looking. And this is one of my favorite new lipstick shade. I actually recently bought it from the drugstore, and I like the color because I've been trying to find a neutral lipstick shade, and this is the cheapest one, so I just bought it and like, yep, this one. Okay, we are done now, and honestly I made this video on a whim. I woke up and thought, hey, let's record a video. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, see you later, take care.